Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. And today we're going to be making easy beef enchiladas. And I got this recipe on the side of the enchilada sauce. This is old Paso enchilada pass, and the recipe is right here. So what you're going to need, it's going to need a pound of ground beef, cup and a half of cheese. We're probably going to use a little bit more since I like cheese, so put a little bit more than what that is. Going to need 2 cans of the enchilada sauce. I got the red sauce here, and then I got 10 6-inch, and this is like the taco size, and I'm thinking it's a 6-inch because it fills my hand. So that's what you're going to need. So let's get this going and see how it all turns out. I'm sure we'll enjoy it. So here we go. Okay guys, first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to brown the beef here, the ground beef. This is just a little bit over a pound, but it will still do. Not much over, like a pound and a quarter. So we're gonna get this opened and dropped in here. Look up. Okay. I'm going to brown this meat up after I get it all broke up, and I'll see you when I get that done. Okay guys, I have drained the ground beef. So our next step here is we're going to put in 3/4 of a cup of the enchilada sauce and a cup of the cheese in the meat here. We're gonna give this a good mix. Get it mixed in there pretty good. So alright, this is looking good. Alright, that's good and mixed. So let me go on to our next step here, and then we'll be all good to go here. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm doing our next step is the assembling part. So what I got here is a 9x13 glass baking dish. And I got the oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna spray this down with the cooking spray, and then we're gonna work on assembling these here. We're gonna take, let's see, I think 1 scoop of this should spread it out and be all right. Now we're just gonna roll bring these things up and sit it in there. Okay, I'm just gonna put them in, spread it out. And roll them in here. Alright, well, let me finish these up. When I'm done, I'll be right back for the last little bit here. When I finish rolling these enchiladas up. Okay guys, I got 8 rolls in here. Probably put a little bit too much in the first few. So what you're gonna do with the rest of it is pour the rest of their enchilada sauce in here. Okay, and then we're going to take our half a cup of cheese, here, and then let me put this in the oven for bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So until it is hot and ready to go. So let's go ahead and put that in the oven, and I'll see you when they're done with the oven. But look how good and delicious those look right now. So let me go put these in the oven at 375. Okay guys, I got these out, and we're in there for 20 minutes at 375. They look good, have a good smell. So as you can see, it's a little hot, but there we go. Right, so I'm going to about pulling these out. Pull the enchiladas out and put them on the plate here. Plate them up. Alright. There we go. That looks good. Alright. So what we're going to do now is give this a little try and see how it turned out. It looks so good. Alright, so here we go. These are really good. Got that good enchilada taste. Something very basic, simple. So if you're looking for a simple recipe, this is definitely it. It's pretty much something that you may have in your house, except maybe the enchilada sauce. So if you get a couple of cans of enchilada sauce, and most people nowadays have tortillas in their house and ground beef and cheese. So real easy dinner, real quick to make, great for the family or just great for yourself. So well, not to forget that it tastes good too. Alright guys, so this was the easy beef enchiladas. Recipe is by the old El Paso. Got it on the side of the enchilada can, so didn't really change anything. Normally when I find a recipe, I'll change it around, make it my own. So play around with it, but this one I didn't know. Probably come up with some better things. Trust me, I was thinking about some things to do with changing this one, but decided I'll just go with what they had. on the can and see how it went, and I'm very pleased with it. It tasted good. So guys, well, I hope you guys take time to comment on the video here. Tell me what you think, if you've had it before or would like to try it. And also hit that like button. It lets me know that you appreciate these videos, and it helps with the algorithm of getting my video out to more people as well. And if you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel and catch other cooking videos like this. Get a notification, hit that notification bell. I also do the cooking videos come out on Saturday. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. So alright guys, I'll see you on the next video, and I want you to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. And I'm gonna finish this up and